Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preparing your hands. Wash and dry, trim nails, and check for any open wounds. Then begin short, controlled friction, 5 to 10 minutes, using a towel or soft brush across the palm where you want thickness. Do this once daily, keeping pressure moderate so you cause microscopic abrasion without tearing. Once done, make sure to soothe the skin. Apply a thin layer of moisturizer, let it air dry, and avoid water immersion for 30 minutes to let the barrier begin forming. Once the initial days feel comfortable, progressively increase both duration and resistance. Add 2 to 3 minutes to sessions every 4 to 7 days if there is no significant pain. Start functional load. Bucket dips in rice, soft grip trainers, or light kettlebell carries, short sets to create purposeful friction. Make sure to manage the surface. Once skin peels a bit, gently file with an emery board or pumice weekly to prevent catching, and continue moisturizing after every session to promote tough, resilient skin rather than painful tears. To complete the process, taper to maintenance. 2 to 3 focused sessions per week once a durable callus forms, combined with regular moisturizing to keep skin flexible. Never cut calluses. Instead, file gently to smooth edges and promptly disinfect and cover any blisters to prevent infection. If you notice persistent sharp pain, spreading redness, pus, or systemic symptoms, stop immediately and seek professional care. One key troubleshooting tip. If progress stalls, reduce intensity and increase moisture to allow healthier, stronger tissue to form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.